My dream job. My dream job is to become a doctor. I have always admired doctors because they help sick people and save lives. Being a doctor is not just a job. It is a noble profession that makes a big difference in the world. I want to work in a big hospital where I can treat many patients. I imagine myself wearing a white coat and using my knowledge to make people feel better. Helping others brings me happiness and satisfaction, which is why I want to dedicate my life to this profession. To achieve my dream, I know I need to study hard and stay focused. Science and biology are my favorite subjects, and I enjoy learning about the human body. My parents and teachers always encourage me and support my dream of becoming a doctor. I also want to treat everyone with kindness and care, no matter who they are. Doctors have the power to bring hope and smiles to people during difficult times. When I grow up, I hope to make my community proud by being a good doctor. Helping others is my passion, and I will work hard to achieve my dream.